Subject Science and Technology Standard 10 Part 1 Lesson number 1 Gravitational Notes. First point, the gravitational force is a universal force. It acts not only between two objects on the earth but also no between any two objects in the universe. Second, the phenomenon of gravitation was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. Third, a force is necessary to change the speed as well as the direction of motion of an object. Fourth, Sir Isaac Newton was one of the greatest scientists of recent time. He was born in England. He gave his laws of motion, equation of motion, and theory of gravity in his book Principia. Fifth, Newton invented a new branch of mathematics. This is called calculus. He was the first scientist to construct a refracting telescope. 6. A force acts on any object moving along a circle and is directed toward the center of the circle. This is called centripetal force. 7. In 16th century, a lot of data were available about planetary position and motion. John Kepler studied this data. 8. AF1 plus AF2 is equal to BF1 plus BF2 is equal to CF1 plus CF2. That's Kepler's law of motion. 9. Kepler's first law. The orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of the foci. 10. Kepler's second law. The line joining the planet and the sun sweeps equal areas in equal intervals of time. 11. Kepler's third law. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of the mean distance of the planet from the sun is equal to t square upon r cube. 12. Every object in the universe attracts the masses of the two objects and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. 13. Johannes Kepler was a German astronomer and mathematician. He started working as a helper to the famous astronomer Tycho Brahe in Prague in 1600. 14. F is equal to G equal to F1 m2 upon d square. 15. If the mass of one object is double, the force between the two objects also doubles. In SI unit, the unit of G is Newton meter square kilogram minus square. The value of G was first experimentally measured by Henry Cavendish in SI unit. Its value is 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram minus square. 18. The center of mass of any object having uniform density and it is called centroid. 19. A motion is possible only when the object is constantly acted upon a force directed toward the center of the circle. This force is called centripetal force. F is equal to Fv square upon r. 20. Speed is equal to distance traveled upon time taken. So is equal to V equal to d upon t. Circumference 2 pi r equal to V equal to 2 pi r upon t. 22. The distance traveled by the planet in one revolution equal to perimeter of the orbit 2 pi r. 23rd. High and low tides occurs at different times and different places. The level of water in the sea changes because of the gravitational force exerted by the moon. 24. The gravitational force due to the earth also acts on the moon because of which it revolves around the earth. The moon and the artificial satellite orbit the earth. 26. According to Newton's second law of motion, the force acting on body results in its acceleration. Thus, the gravitational force due to the earth on a body results in its acceleration. This is called acceleration due to gravity and is denoted by g. Acceleration is a vector quantity. 27. G is equal to gm upon r square. The value of g is highest 9.832 meter per second square at the pole and decreases slowly with decreasing latitude. It is lowest 9.78 meter per second square at the equator. The 20th point is the most important point. Every planet and satellite has different mass and radius. On the moon, 1/6 of the value on the earth. 31. Mass is the amount of matter present in the object. 32. The SI unit of mass, kilogram mass, is scalar quantity. Its value is same everywhere. 33. Weight is being a force. Its SI unit is Newton. Weight is a vector quantity. 34. Light is also type of wave called the electromagnetic waves. 35. Gravitational waves are very different types of waves. They have been called the waves of the fabric of space-time. Einstein predicted the existence in 1960. 36. Scientists have constructed extremely sensitive instrument. Their name is LIGO, Laser Interferometric Gravitational Wave Observation. 37. True free fall is possible only in vacuum. The moon and the artificial satellite are moving only under the influence of the gravitational field of the earth. Thus they are free fall. 38. Galileo is said to have performed experiment around 1590 in the Italian city of Pisa. 39. The energy stored in an object because of its position or state is called potential energy. When an object it at a height h from the surface of the earth, its potential energy is gmm upon r plus h. आपल्याला सायन्स पार्ट 1 किंवा सायन्स पार्ट 2 तसेच भूगोल, इतिहास व राज्यशास्त्र या विषयांच्या धड्यांच्या नोंदी हव्या असतील तर आमच्या चॅनलला लाईक, सबस्क्राईब आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका.